Hello everyone, class 6. I am your science teacher Rashid Khan from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, and here we have to move on the chapter number 6, that is changes around us, and in that concern we have to go through the chapter. You know the changes. What is the changes? The change, you can say, it is defined the anything that can altered by its size, its shape, its color, or the positions from its original shape or from its original orientations. So you know very well the day and night get changes. Milk changes into the curd or butter or many things else. Seed changing into the sapling and then into a tree. The summer changes into rainy season. The pupa changes into the colorful butterfly. Liquid water changes into solid ice. Next is different type of examples. You can see changing by the rotations, change day by day, changes every time as the hours, the situations, the changing of the health, or you can say changing of classes, changing of a period, and weather changing, different type of a changing takes place in such a way. So everything around us is changing. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें जो हमारे चारों तरफ क्या होते हैं, चेंज होते रहते हैं. Some changes are temporary while the others are fixed, or you can say the permanent. So we have to study on that basis the changes is what actually. And you know that changes is defined as anything which can alter, anything that has altered its color, shape, size or positions from its original state. These behavior are termed as changes. For example, changes in a shape. Shape में देखते हैं a lump clay changes into toy by molding. You can know most of the material which can be turned into the desired form by modification. So this is another type of a changes. Changes in position, leaf falling down from the tree, that can changes its positions. Changes in size, your clothes, like the clothes which you were in your childhood, it cannot be adjusted for the younger one. There is a changes in body, that is change in size. Changes in color. Many fruits changes their colors by ripening or by the different times. Changing in state, you very well know about that. The water can change its state by its three medium, solid, liquid and gases as well. We have to go through the changes by types of changes. What are the different types of changes? Types of changes. What are the different types of changes? Are there in two most important. There are the different types of changes counting at each moment. The changes, some changes are beneficial to us, whereas some are the harmful to us. As example, ripening of food is a beneficial, and spoiling of food, it is harmful. changes. So this one is categorized into main two categories, that is what? Reversible and irreversible changes, physical and chemical changes. So here is the two important type of changes happens: reversible and irreversible, physical and chemical changes. So we have to go through this one. First one is reversible changes. What are the reversible changes? By a very simple example you can know about. When the springs straight or stretches, when we just leave it, it again come back to its original form. This is what? This is the reversible changes. Rubber band or rubber, when the rubber is stretched, it is stretched and make its size longer than its original. But when we leave, it come back again into its original shape or original positions. Next is water get changes into the ice, but when the ice kept at a room temperature, it will again turn into the liquid medium. So there are the different type of changes that might be the reversible, and they can be change their positions, their state from one to another. Here you can see the hot water, your favorite ice cream start melting, the ice cream back into the solid as well. By keeping it into the refrigeration, the ice cream will again turn into solid. This is the reversible changes. And you know that butter melt or melting of a butter can also be changes into solid by keeping into the refrigerator. So this is also the reversible changes. Only the taste of substance is changed, that is liquid taste is changing into solid state. Only the state changes, the changes into liquid to solid, solid to liquid. So reversible changes in which the original substance can be obtained by reversing the actions. The reversible changes is that changes in which the original substance can be obtained back by reversing the actions. Reversing the action, we can obtain the original state of particular type of a substance. As you know, in a case of evaporation solution of a salt and water, salt can be recovered from the process from the solution by evaporations or by evaporating the liquids. And if an ice cube is melted, the water is changes into ice again by lowering down its temperature, that cooling. So stream, we change it, streams from the evaporated boiling water can be condensed back to the water by when the temperature falls. And here now we can know that the new substance is formed. There is changes in the properties from its original by its state, size, color and shape, but they can be type of reversible changes. Solid, gases, liquids, they are all changes, alternate changes. They are formed from one state to another state. Second one is irreversible changes. What is irreversible changes? Irreversible changes are those changes in which it cannot be reversed. It is irreversible changes is such type of changes which cannot be reversed by changing the physical conditions. By changing the physical conditions, it cannot be reversed back into its original state. This one is known as irreversible changes. Most of the chemical reactions could not be back into its original state by which? By any conditions, by raising temperature, by decreasing temperature, or by anything else. So this is type of irreversible changes. Why? Because in which the new substance is always formed, and if the new substance is always formed, it cannot bring back to its original state. Why? Because here is a very common example for that. When there is cooking of food takes place, the food ingredients convert into the food material. What is your desired form of the food can be prepared, but the food cannot be reversed back again into the food ingredients. Why? Because the new substance is formed, and if the new substance is formed, there is no chances to reverse back. As the ripening of a fruits, the fruits cannot be come back or go back into its the form of raw materials. That means immature. So it is an irreversible changes. Milk changes into curd. This is a new substance form, and which cannot be reversed back into the milk again. The paper burns and produces carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and gas, some light, etc. But the paper cannot be again back into its original position. Why? Because in that cases always the new substance is formed, and wherever the new substance is formed, there is no chances to come back again into its original or the back positions. Reversible back into its originals. So it is a type of what? It is an irreversible changes. Cracking of glass in which the glass break into the different parts which cannot back again into its original shape. This is how it cannot be reversed back into its original form. This is irreversible changes again. And you know very well sharpening of pencils. The sharpener which sharpen the pencils, the pencil cannot be come back again into its original form. This is a form of what? It is another form of irreversible changes. Making omelette from the egg, and the omelette cannot be reversed back into the egg form. This is what? Irreversible changes. These are all about the irreversible changes. Here you can say some other example. Crayons and erasers become smaller in size when brought in use. We cannot make a pencil out of pencil shaving and broken tip. That is a graphite. Hence there is no changes in the original property, but these are also the irreversible changes. So the next is what? Next is physical and chemical changes. What is the physical change? What is the chemical change? Physical, you know very well what is the physical. Physical means their external feature from the outer sides of anything. If you can see the outer side from anything, this one is its physical appearance. This one is called as a physical. And when we are going through its composition, this one is formed as a chemical. So paper folding, folding of a paper into any shape, this could be again back into its original form. This is what changes its physical. That is a physical change. The physical appearance of paper cube can be changed, but no new substance is formed. So it is what? It is the reversible changes. When a paper is burned, it cannot reverse back into its original form, and always a new substance is formed. So this will not come back into its original form. So this is what new substance is always formed. So this one is called as a chemical change. Next, sugar remains sugar in its solution, but its stated change. Solid crystal which is turned into the dissolved state when the water is allowed to evaporate, sugar is obtained back. Next is, there is no new substance is formed, there is a crystal state changes. Seed is germinating into seedlings. Here seed has changes into a new substance. So it is a chemical substance. Chemical changes. If the first, here is the some changes. A material may be changed its shape or form while undergoing a physical change, but no chemical changes occur. No chemicals occur and no new substance is formed. Most physical changes are reversible. For example, a metal expanding when heated. Metal expanded on heated. This is the physical. Cutting paper or cloth with a scissor. Physical change. Transmission of sound through air. Physical change. Copper being drawn into thin wire. Physical change. Heating up a metal and beating it into the different shapes. This is a physical change. Snowman melting in the sun. That is a physical change. Glowing of incandescent bulb filament. That is a physical changes. What are the chemical change? Chemical changes takes place when one or more substances react to form a new substance, or a substance break down to form one or more new substances. For example, formation of yogurt from milk. The yogurt cannot be converted again into the milk. This is chemical change. Formation of a wine from grapes. You can form the wine from the grapes, but from the wine you can't find the grapes as well. Changing color of fallen leaves. Fallen leaves color changes when it's falling. Next is ripening of fruits. As we know that ripening of fruits is a chemical change. Why? Because some chemical due to which the color of the fruit changes. Burning of natural gas like CNG and LPG. When burning, this will produce energy, heat. With the supplement of what? Some of the ingredient to it. That means it can form a new substance, and through which this one is called as a chemical change. The digestion of food. Digestion of food cannot be reversed back into the food ingredients. Photosynthesis, a process in which the carbon dioxide and water changes into sugar by plant in the presence of sunlight. This is a photosynthesis, and by this the new substance is formed. That is the food material, that is sugar, which cannot be reversed back again into its original carbon dioxide, water and other forms. So it is another example of chemical changes. Bursting of firecrackers. When crackers burst, it's form a new substance which cannot be reversed back again into its original form. So this is what? This is all about the chemical changes. These are the physical and the chemical changes from the chapter number 6, class 6. This is all about the topic. For while, into the next video we will discuss later on the next topic which is given. So now you have to study more and more at home. Definitely we will meet to the next video.